feeling tired.
Oh, I am so tired today. I did not sleep well.
Good morning, Alex. You look sleepy.
Yes, I am feeling very tired. I think I need coffee.
I will make tea. Tea can make you feel better.
Thank you, Lily. You are always helpful. Ah, this feels better. I still feel a little sleepy, but I can start my day.
Don't worry. Sometimes a good breakfast and tea can wake you up. Hungry now.
I am hungry now.
Me too. What should we eat?
Let's make some sandwiches.
Good idea. I will cut the bread, and you can cut the vegetables.
Perfect.
This is delicious. You made the sandwiches very well.
Thanks, you made the tea. Teamwork is important.
Yes. We make a good team. Lost keys.
Oh no, I lost my keys.
Where did you last see them?
I don't remember. Maybe on the table.
Let's look in the kitchen and the living room.
Here they are. They were under the sofa.
Haha, you always lose your keys.
Yes, I need a key holder.
Or maybe a keychain that is bright. You can't miss it.
Good idea. I will buy one today.
Getting married.
Hi, Alex. Hi, Lily.
Hi Mia, you look so happy today.
I am getting married next month.
Wow. Congratulations. Who is he?
His name is Tom. We met 2 years ago.
That's amazing. I am so happy for you.
We should plan your wedding party together.
Yes, please. I want a small party with my friends.
I can help with decorations.
I can help with the invitations.
Perfect. Thank you, friends. You are the best.
First job interview.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I have an interview. My name is Alex Smith.
Please wait here. The manager will call you soon.
I am feeling nervous. What if I make a mistake?
Hello, Alex. Welcome. Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, I am Alex. I like learning new things, and I am hardworking.
Great. Why do you want this job?
Because I want to learn more and help your company.
Good answer. What is your strength?
I am a good listener. I can work well with my team.
Excellent. And your weakness?
Sometimes I am too careful, but I am learning to be faster.
Very honest. Thank you, Alex.
Thank you, sir.
Seeing a rainbow.
Wow, look at the sky.
Oh yes. A rainbow.
It is so beautiful.
I love seeing rainbows. They make me happy.
Me too. Let's take a photo.
Good idea. The colors are so bright. Red, orange, yellow.
Yes, nature is amazing. Oh no, the bus is gone.
We missed it.
What should we do now?
Let's walk to the next bus stop.
Okay, let's go quickly. I hope we are not late.
It's okay. Walking is good exercise.
True. At least we can enjoy the fresh air.
Going shopping.
I need new shoes.
I want a dress. Let's go shopping.
This store looks good.
Yes, look at this red dress.
It is beautiful. Try it on.
I like it. I will buy it.
Good choice.
Do you like these shoes?
Yes, these look perfect. I will buy them too.